Google, a name synonymous with innovation, has once again taken center stage with its awe-inspiring Bard update. This update represents a pivotal moment in the realm of artificial intelligence, marking a giant leap forward in the capabilities of AI-powered systems. We'll delve deep into the heart of this extraordinary development, shedding light on Google's formidable Palm 2 model, the game-changing extension support with Mail, Docs and Drive experience, the formidable double-check feature, and the expanded language support. Each of these facets contributes to a monumental shift, offering users a glimpse of a future where AI seamlessly enhances our productivity and creativity. Join us on this exhilarating journey as we unveil the AI-powered world that Google's Bard update has brought to our doorstep, unveiling Palm 2 model. If you are not familiar with the Palm 2 model, picture a supercharged AI engine, fueled by vast amounts of data and an insatiable hunger for knowledge. Palm 2 is more than just an algorithm. It's a quantum leap in the world of artificial intelligence. And this is the workhorse that supports Bard. This remarkable creation stands as a testament to Google's relentless pursuit of excellence. It possesses an unmatched ability to comprehend, interpret, and respond to human language, blurring the lines between man and machine. With this marvel at the helm, Google's AI capabilities have surged to unprecedented heights. Palm 2 opens up new frontiers in understanding context, semantics, and nuance, setting the stage for more intuitive interactions with technology. It's not just about answers, it's about meaningful and contextually accurate responses. From search queries to natural language processing, Palm 2 promises a future where AI understands us better than we understand ourselves. The implications are staggering. Imagine AI-powered chatbots that converse with the finesse of a seasoned diplomat, language translation tools that decipher idiomatic expressions effortlessly, and search engines that anticipate your needs before you even finish typing. Palm 2 is poised to revolutionize the way we communicate, work, and access information, paving the way for an exciting AI-powered future. 1. Extension support with Mail, Docs, and Drive. Google has reimagined how you interact with your emails, transforming your inbox into a dynamic hub of productivity and efficiency. The Bard update's extension support for Mail is like adding rocket boosters to your email correspondence. It seamlessly integrates a wide array of third-party applications, offering you an arsenal of tools right at your fingertips. Ever had trouble tracking important shipments, scheduling meetings, or even remembering what was said in a particular email? Just ask and Bard will assist you. Imagine the convenience of scheduling a Zoom call, setting up a Trello board, or signing a document with DocuSign, all without the need to toggle between tabs. With extension support, Mail becomes your command center, streamlining your workflow and saving you precious time. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The real magic happens when you realize the potential for customization. Tailor your inbox to suit your unique needs, making it an extension of your work style. These extensions aren't just add-ons, they're catalysts for a more productive, efficient, and organized email experience. But it's not all about work. Extension support also brings the fun factor, allowing you to personalize your mail with everything from GIFs to custom themes. It's an email experience that's as unique as you are. The Bard update's extension support with Mail isn't just an enhancement, it's a transformation. It empowers you to do more, faster, and with unprecedented ease. 2. Revamped Docs and Drive. Imagine stepping into a virtual workspace where your ideas flow seamlessly, and collaboration feels like you're all in the same room. With Bard's Revamped Docs, that vision becomes a reality. Real-time collaboration has been taken to a whole new level, making brainstorming sessions, project planning, and content creation a breeze. But it's not just about collaboration. The Bard update brings AI to the forefront, offering smart suggestions and predictive typing that seem almost psychic. It's as if your documents anticipate your every word, making the creation process faster and more intuitive than ever before. Drive 2 has undergone a remarkable transformation. It's no longer just a place to store files. It's a dynamic hub that streamlines your workflow. The intelligent search function helps you find what you need, like looking for a particular CV, for example, and helps you write a strong statement about your persona. Additionally, file sharing and access control have been streamlined to ensure your sensitive information remains just that, sensitive. It's your data, your way. And here's the exciting part. These updates are just the beginning. With Bard's revamped Docs and Drive, you're stepping into a world where work becomes a symphony of efficiency, creativity, and collaboration. It's an exhilarating era for productivity, and it's happening right now. 3. The Double Check feature. Moving on to Bard's Double Check feature. This is not your typical spell checker or grammar corrector. It's a brilliant innovation that takes the concept of proofreading to a whole new level, ensuring your content is verified by searching the web. By clicking the Google It button, Bard scans your text, not looking for typos and grammatical errors, but whether what is written is in fact true. It then highlights phrases in its answer. By clicking on them, you can see additional contradicting or supporting information from web searches, all performed without ever leaving the tab. Imagine the confidence of sending out emails, reports, or creative pieces knowing that Double Check has your back, ensuring your information is solidly supported by evidence. It's a transformative addition to your writing arsenal, setting a new standard for communication excellence. 4. Enhanced language support. The Bard update isn't just a technological marvel. It's a global celebration of linguistic diversity and inclusivity. Enhanced language support is the beacon lighting the way to a world where language is no longer a barrier but a bridge to deeper understanding. Prior to this update, Bard was only available in English to the US and UK public. Now, Bard includes 230 countries, supporting over 40 different languages for it to be used with. This means that you can listen to Bard using the voice format in any of the available languages, opening up diverse opportunities for learning and communication across cultures. Imagine communicating effortlessly in your mother tongue, no matter how rare or obscure it may be. With the Bard update's enhanced language support, this vision is now a reality. Google's commitment to breaking down language barriers is truly awe-inspiring. This update goes far beyond mere translation. It's about preserving the essence of language. It understands the nuances, idioms, and cultural references that make each language unique. Whether you're composing an email, conducting research, or collaborating on a global project, the language you're most comfortable with is the language you can use. Imagine a world where you can effortlessly converse with someone from the other side of the planet, each speaking in your native language and still perfectly understanding each other. This is the promise of enhanced language support, where technology becomes a bridge, not a barrier. Conclusion: embracing the AI-powered future. In closing, we find ourselves at the precipice of a technological renaissance, and Google's Bard update stands as a beacon guiding us into this thrilling new era. From the unveiling of the extraordinary PLM 2 model to the transformation of Mail, Docs, and Drive with extension support, the game-changing Double Check feature, and the global reach of enhanced language support, this update is nothing short of revolutionary. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.